get method. So where is get? Where is get? Here is get. It is also locked. No problem. Nobody is getting in. Only consumer can get inside. Once he gets inside, it will be locked. Okay. Now, not value set. What is the value set? Value set became, what is the value set? False. No, no. Value set became true. Is it not? You can see. See, just 1 second. I will tell you one more thing. When value set became true, see here in the while loop, it became true. And producer will be waiting. Got that? I forgot telling you that. So when value set became true, he produced 0th product and notified his job is done, and immediately value set became true. So he went into try block and he will be waiting. That's it. And now consumers action started with the get method, and then he got inside. Not value set. Not value set means initially he was waiting. Got it? Initially, see, when producer manufactured that, consumer may be also getting inside, no, due to anxiety. But false. Not false means true. True means try. Inside try, consumer is waiting till now. Till now, consumer is waiting. But when he got notification, he rushes into this code. Next part of the code. He got 0th product. And then he set himself as false again. False means he set himself false. And then he made a notification. Immediately he was waiting, no. He came out of wait. Who the other one? Producer. He came out of waiting and he started producing the second product. Got that? And again he set it true and he produced product number 1 and then notified. So it is a continual process, something like that. Because you have given I++, it keeps on incrementing. There is no limit in this program. Okay. Any doubt? Very difficult code, right? Big and difficult. Difficult in the sense how they are running one after another, and when they are waiting, when they are going on. That you have to carefully catch. You can see this code twice and thrice. You try to understand. Got it? And you need to explain this more than anything else in interviews. You need not write this program, but in real time, n number of applications are available online. You can easily study if you can know the concept, the basics well. Okay? Able to understand? I think this can be difficult for you. We have to try so many times. If you need one more time explanation, it is okay. Otherwise, we will go to collection framework. At least theory we will cover today. This is the toughest job, threads which we have done till now. And some interview questions are there. I will prepare notes and send you. Already notes is there. Let me check one more time and I will send you soon. Shall I start collection framework or need explanation one more time? And one more small application is there. I forgot telling you. That is a thread group also is there. Yeah. Let me go with that and close threads concept. Yeah, this is the one left. So this program is how to create thread group. You know, every thread will be having name, priority, and the group to which it belongs to. In this program, we have created a thread group. Very simple. Thread group is a predefined class. Create object for that. You can pass some name also to that. So that thread group constructor will be invoked and this argument is passed as a string. Leave it. And what is the name of the thread group? TZ. TZ is the, reference name. Object name is TZ. The same object is passed. These are all threads. T1, T2, T3 are threads. Different threads will be part of a thread group, right? So T1, T2, and T3 are part of The thread group TZ. TZ is the thread group. Just like matchbox. Matchbox is a group. Matches inside that. Matchsticks are there. Na? They are called as threads. You can understand easily. So T1, T2, T3 are all part of TZ. TZ is the thread group and its name is subgroup 1. I have given. And this is thread 1. Name of T1 is thread 1, thread 2, thread 3. Part of TZ. And then TZ is equal to another thread group we have created, subgroup 2. And thread 4. Thread 4. Another object is created for thread. Its name is my thread. And it also belongs to TZ. Name is a bit odd, but it also belongs to TZ. Just like in your batch, fourth years are there and second years are there, something like that. Some others are also there, like that. But they also belong to same group, TZ, TZ, TZ. But these names are unique. They all belong to same similar class and they belong to some other class. But they all belong to same group Siddhartha, like that. And then TZ is equal to, I want to know what is that? Thread dot, current thread dot, get thread group. So what will it return? We will see the output here. What is the first SOPL? Int argc tz dot active group count. Actually, this program is not done by me. And let me see what exactly done here. Active thread groups in tz dot get name. Yes, you can see here. First SOPL statement. Where is that? Here is the first SOPL statement. Active thread group. Yeah, you got information like this. Java dot active thread groups in main thread group to active thread groups in tz dot get name. Get name because you are inside main. Don't forget. Obviously, it is main. So you got in main thread group, that is two arguments. Why two we got? Just 1 second. Why two? Into argc. Argc is counting active group count. So two active threads are there here. Two active threads it has done. Let me execute once so we can discuss if any change in output every time, because OS sometimes may dominate. Oh, same output. Same output almost. Two active thread groups in main thread group. Two. It is, why? Because thread groups, how many are there? One and two. Yes, it is true. And how you got that? tz dot get name. Active thread groups in tz dot get name. Tz dot get name means main thread, of course. So that is okay. Uh, in main thread group, yeah, this is main. Answer for this is main. Because you are inside main, na? Main method. So obviously it is main method. Active thread groups in main thread group. Now you will get AGC. AGC is counting that. What does AGC do? It will count. This is the method used to count active thread groups. How many are there? Two in number. Is it not? One is subgroup 1, TZ. See, one time I have created object and another time also I have done that. When here it is. Two groups are there. Of course, object name is same, but one time it is referring to subgroup 1, the other time it is referring to subgroup 2. So 2, right, that is okay. And after that, what we got? tz.list, group list. So what it listed, see, java.lang.thread group, name is main, max priority is 10. 10 it has given. We have not given. By default, it selected 10. And then java.lang.thread group. Why 10? Because 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. It might have calculated both priorities and it has given max priority. Thread group, two main threads are there. One main thread priority is 5, the other main thread's priority is also 5. 5 plus 5, possibly 10. Might be that. So thread main 5 main, okay. Main thread belong, its priority is 5, that is okay. It's giving total information in the list. Java.lang.thread group, name subgroup 1, max priority 10, okay. Subgroup priority is 10 and 10 overall. I don't know much about this, but I believe that based on that information, you can leave that. Basically, thread groups, very rare usage, very rare. But how to create object, that is the main intention. But so much work is there inside. We have to study this one. I never has gone through that. I just downloaded this. That's why we can study this. Based on the names, you can understand and leave it. Not really required much. We are the AGC and that. So, shall I start collection framework or close for the day as you wish? We are done with threads.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Okay, fine. No problem. Okay. We'll start, and within 2 3 days, I will complete collection framework also, because you know all the basics. I need not type again. Let me close as fast as I can, because you know you may be looking for web technologies. You may join or may not join, whatever it is, your classwork is going on. Let me close quickly. Collection framework and a few more leftovers. Okay, thank you.